If you're running a WordPress website and want to keep your user community secure and spam-free, email verification during registration is absolutely essential. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set this up using the user registration plugin from WP Everest. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a professional system on your site, so only genuine users can join, and you'll be protecting your site's integrity right from day one. Let's get started. The plugin we're using, User Registration by WP Everest, is highly recommended for 2026 because it's easy to use, reliable, and it has email verification built right in. So you won't need any complicated coding or multiple plugins. Everything's in one place for you. First up, we'll need to install and activate the plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type User Registration. When you see the plugin by WP Everest, click Install Now, and once it's installed, click Activate. This part is just like adding any other WordPress plugin. If you've done it before, you know the drill. If not, don't worry, it's literally a couple of clicks and WordPress handles the rest for you. With the plugin active, let's move to the next critical setup. Navigate to User Registration in your dashboard menu, then tap into Settings and go to the General section. Here, where the magic happens for email verification, you'll see a section labeled User Login Option. Click into the drop-down menu and choose Email Confirmation to Login. What you're doing here is telling WordPress. New users must verify their email address before they're allowed to log in. This weeds out bots and fake signups, as only people with real, working email addresses can complete registration. It's like giving your front door a smart lock. Only guests you want inside get the precise key. Now that the system's set to require email confirmation, let's make sure the emails that go out to your users look the way you want. Find the Email tab still within User Registration Settings. Here you'll see different email templates, and you'll want to edit the email confirmation template. This is what users receive as soon as they register. If you want to make a great first impression, personalize the subject and the body. Maybe add your site's name, a warm greeting, and clear instructions, like click the link below to verify your account and get started. You can usually find placeholders for things like the user's name or your site logo, so don't be afraid to put your own spin on it. Remember, this email is your handshake with every new user, so a friendly, professional message goes a long way. And that's it with those few settings. Your WordPress site is now set up to verify every user by email during registration. If you want a review, it's always a good idea to try registering as a new user yourself, just to see the process from their side and catch any tweaks you might want to make. Sometimes these details take a moment to iron out, but don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on the first try. Just revisit your email template and settings until everything feels right. I hope this walkthrough made the process super clear and easy to follow. If it did, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I always check and love helping out. For more WordPress tutorials, tips, and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.